Good morning students. Welcome back to our next interactive session of our maths class. Do you all remember children what we studied in our last class? Yes, we studied about place value chart in Indian system and international system, and how to insert commas and how to read the numbers in words and figures. Now let us recall and learn how to write the numbers in words. So now you have to take textbook page number 9, exercise 2A. Here you have first write the number names. So let us learn how to write the number names. Here you have ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So first you will write the digits ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Write the digits on the top of the number so it will be easy for you to make the sentence to write in words. So here we will write as 2 lakh 4,000 157. Okay children, now next number is 3,70,025. First you will write the digits ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Now 3 is in lakhs position, so we will write it as 3 lakhs 70,000 See children, in hundreds place you have 0, so you will not mention 100, you will be writing 25. 25. So you all understood how to write in number names. Now let us go with the next name. Write the following numbers in figures. So here you have 2,51,437. So first you will be writing it as 2,51,437. So here I already taught you how to insert the commas after every 3 digits from your right, and you have to also remember the digits. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So here the comma is after 3 numbers and after every 2 numbers. So the next number is 54,024. 54,000. So you will be writing it as 54, and after 1,000 you can see you don't have 100. So in the place of 100 digits you will use 0. Then you have 24. So you will be writing it as 24. So remember children, 24 is ones and tens digits. 100 is 0 because they did not mention 100, and you have thousands position is 4 and 5, that is 54,000, and insert comma after 3 numbers from your right. Now the next way will go with numbers on abacus. So I already taught you in our last class what is abacus. You can see children what is abacus. Abacus is an first calculating device invented by doing calculations. So you can see here these are the spikes you can see Then you will count the rings on abacus. Here you can see 1, 2, 3. So 3, 1 and 2. So 2 rings in tens position, 4 rings in hundreds place, 5 rings in thousands place, 2 rings in 10,000s place, and 7 rings in lakhs place. So now you will make the numbers by writing 7,25,423. Similarly, you have one more example. You can see first I have written the digits. Then on the spikes you need to count the rings, write the numbers, write them in figures and write them in words. Now let us study how to write them in words. Here you have write the numbers shown on abacus. You can see I have given the spikes from 1 till crores, and on the spikes you can see the rings. Let us write the numbers. How many rings are there? Here you have 4 rings. Here 6 rings. Then you have 5 rings in hundreds place, 1 ring in thousands place, 2 rings in 10,000s place, 5 rings in lakhs place, 1 in 10 lakhs place, and 4 in crores. So you understood the digits: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. We have also counted the rings. Now let us write them in numeral. As I told you, you have to insert the commas after writing numbers. After 3 numbers, then 2 numbers, then 2 numbers. So here it is 4 crore 15 lakhs 21,564. You have to write it in number name. 4 crore 15 lakh 21,000 500 64. So hope children you understood how to write the numbers on abacus and writing numeral and number names. Okay children, now let's go with the next main. Write the next 5 numbers. Here you have numbers 5,38,536. So you have to change only the series of ones place. So after 6 you will have 7, that is 5,38,537. Next 5,38,538. 5,38,539. 5,38,540, and the next number will be 5,38,541. So here you are changing only the series of ones place. Other numbers will remain same. Same way you have next number 72,809. You can see here in thousands place you have 0, 0. So you will not read that thousands place. You just read it as 72,809. The next number is 72,810, 72,811, 72,812, and the next number is 72,813, 72,814. So hope children you all understood how to write the next numbers and how to read the numbers. Now let us see the place value and face value of the given digits. Now you know what is face value. We have already studied in class 3. Face value of the number remains the same number. It does not change its digits, and the place value of the number depends on the digits, and you have to write depending on the digits what is given. So let us see what is place value and face value. Here I have given you the number along with the digits. So now we will see with the table digits, face value, place value. So children, here you can see the digits, and as I told you, face value will never change. So if the digit is 3, the face value will remain 3, and here you can see place value of 3. 3 is in lakhs place. So here you have to write 3 into 1 lakh, that will give you 3 lakhs. 5, face value of 5 will remain same, and the place value of 5 is in 10,000 space. So this will become as 5 into 10,000 will give you 50,000. Then 8, face value will remain same. Place value of 8 is 1,000. So 8 into 1,000 is 8,000. Then the place value of 7 is in hundreds place. So 7 into 100, 700. And the place value of 4 is in tens place. So 4 into 10 is 40. And 1 is in ones place. So 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. So children, you understood what is face value, what is place value. So now you can take children page number 12, exercise 2b. Here we have the first beat, write the face value of 2. As I told you, face value will remain same. So if they ask face value of 2, it will be same number 2. The next way you can see, they have asked you place value of the underlying digits. So whichever the number they have underlined, you have to write that number depending on the digits. Here you can see first sum, they have underlined 4. So the place value of 4 is 4,000 because 4 is in thousands place. The next number they have underlined is 3. So the place value of 3 is 30,000 as the 3 is in 10,000 place. So answer will be 30,000. Same way children, you can practice the other sums. So now you understood what is face value and place value. You can practice that exercise. So now we have learned today face value and place value and how to write the numbers in words and figures and abacus. Now let us go through one presentation and you can learn in detail.
Good morning children. Welcome back to math class. For today our topic is number on abacus and successor and predecessor numbers. Now let us study about what is an abacus. An abacus is an instrument with which we can count numbers and understand the place value of each digit in a number. An abacus has spikes depending on the digit of numbers. So today we will learn about 7-digit and 8-digit numbers. Here you have an abacus of 7-digit. Now we will represent 7-digit numbers on abacus. Now read the digit in ones place and put 3 beads on the spike and mark as O. Now read the digit at tens place, that is 5, and put 5 beads on the spike at tens place and mark as T. Now read the digit in hundreds place, that is 4, and put 4 beads in hundreds place and mark it as H. Now read the digit in thousands place, put 3 beads and mark it as TH. Same way you can see 10,000s place, the number is 6, and put 6 beads on 10,000s place and mark it as TTH. Similarly, you can see the lakhs place, the beads are 4 and mark it as L. Next you have 10 lakhs digit, that is 3, put 3 beads on the spike and mark it as TL. This is how we represent numbers on abacus. Here we express the number in figures as 3463453. So in the last class we had learnt about how to insert the commas Similarly, you will insert the commas as 34, 63, 453. So read it in words as 34,63,453. Now let us learn the representation of numbers on an abacus of 8 digits. So here you can see 8 spiked on abacus with the digits marked as ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So here you need to count the beats and write the numbers in figure as 41521564, and then insert the commas as 4, 15, 21, 564. So in words we will write as 4,15,21,564. I hope everyone understood how to represent the numbers on abacus. So you need to practice this abacus and how to count the beats, how to insert commas, and you have to write the digits and then write in words. Now our next topic is successor and predecessor. So let us learn about what is successor. The number which is 1 more than the given number is called its successor. Here you can see the example 99 is equal to 9 plus 1 is 100. Therefore, to find any successor of a given number, you need to add 1 of the given number. So one more example we'll see. 3,27,499 plus 1 will give you 3,27,500. So similarly, whatever the number is given, just add 1 to the given number and then write the successor of the number. Now let us learn about what is predecessor. The number which is 1 less than the given number is called its predecessor. So to find the predecessor of any number, you have to subtract 1 of the given number. For example, 100 minus 1 will give you 99. So one more example is 7,70,000 minus 1, and so the predecessor of that number will be 7,69,999. So hope you all understood how to find the successor and predecessor of the given number. Successor means adding one number and predecessor means subtracting one number. In other words, you can say as after number and before number. So you can practice the sum given in the textbook, page number 10 and 11 for abacus and page number 15 for successor and predecessor. And understand the concept. Make sure you revise what is taught. Thank you, stay safe and take care.
So children, I hope you all understood. So I want you all to take the textbook and complete the exercise 2A, page number 9, page number 10, page number 11 and exercise 2B, page number 12. And I have also explained you in the presentation what is successor and predecessor. So you can take page number 15, exercise 2C. You can complete that exercise also. And let us meet in our next interactive session. Till then, bye, take care and stay safe.